Hello all, my name is Alondra Gonzalez. For my project, I decided to do the soup option that was given to us in part 1. So what I did was I went into Vaughn's and I decided which brands of soup I wanted to analyze, I guess you could say. I did the Campbell's brand and the Progresso brand just because they have the most variety at Vaughn's. So what I did was I chose soups at random. So I just took them off the shelf and saw what the calories per serving was, what the fat per serving was, and the sodium per serving for both of the brands. So I did 30 soups, 15 soups each, I mean. After that, I did calculations, all that good stuff. So what I think is really interesting about what I did was the box plots. I see how different they are. So, for example, we have the Campbell's calories per serving here, and it's a lot different than the Progressive calories per serving. Same thing with the fats per serving, and then the sodiums per serving. So what I interpreted from these box plots was that the Progresso soup is essentially somewhat healthier than the Campbell's. Obviously, it's not super healthy, but it's the healthier choice between the two, just according to the data that I collected and what the calculations came out to be. So as you can see here, the calories per serving is a lot higher. It goes a lot higher than the Progresso soup does. And same thing for the fats per serving. This one, although it does have variety of fats per serving, this one, it just kind of stays between 0 and 4, and then it has 1 that's all the way to the 7, which means that obviously there's healthier choices here because there's less fats. Same thing with the sodium per serving. So this one, we see that it starts at somewhere near 400 mg per serving, and then it goes all the way to about close to 900 mg per serving. So here for the Progresso one, it really only starts at 600 mg, and then for the most part, it goes close to 700 mg. There's a few outliers over here, obviously, that tell us that there is certain soups that have a higher sodium per serving amount. So yeah. Oh, what I also found was really interesting to do is I did correlation between the Campbell's calories per serving and the Campbell's fat per serving, and there seemed to be a correlation here. I did the same thing with the Progresso one, and again it showed a correlation, and they're both positive correlation, which kind of just indicates that the calories per serving do affect fat per serving, which I also thought was kind of cool. Anyways, that's all I got. Thank you guys.